Si Jollibee? Ay, binubuka Jollibee, oh. Paalisin mo lang, nga. Binubuka? Alis daw kayo doon. Okay, palakpakan natin ang ating best friend na si Jollibee to boost his confidence. Okay, ayan. Dapat malakas daw. Palakpak Jollibee. Dapat ganito. Ganun. Okay. So now, to show us your favorite dance move. Once again, here is our best friend, no other than Jollibee. Here is our best friend, Jollibee. Hoy, ice cream yummy ka na naman dyan. Okay, so sawa na daw sila, iba naman daw. Ayan, ice cream yummy ka. Ano pa ba daw yung iba nung gusto? Okay, patingin nga. 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan. Okay, syempre yung ating bida po ay may pagpapakitang gila sa atin. Para syempre, ma-boost yung confidence ng ating bida, malakas sa palakpakan at masigabong hiyawan ang kailangan niya. Once again, here is our best friend, no other than Jollibee. Alright, so thank you so much.
Ang wish ko kay Marcos ay sana lumakas siyang magaling na bata at dapat sa Diyos. Lagi lang siya maging malusog at huwag magkakasakit.
Yung message ko kay Marcos,
Si Jollibee na yung umiyak sa'yo.
lumaki siya mabuting bata. Pagaling sa amin, magulang. Kaya natin niya, pag nalaging nakawain, makakamaman po siya ng pag-aaral.
Yung kanyang sister daw, ayan.
Love na love kita. Sana lumaki ka ng maayos.
Ayan. So thank you so much. So now, of course, at this time, as we sing the Jolly birthday song, ayan, si Marcos din daw. Okay po, so inanayan ko lahat to please all stand and let us sing the Jolly birthday song. Everyone, get ready. 1, 2, ready, sing.
Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you.
Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you.
Mas mabilis, mas masaya, everyone! Jolly birthday to you!
Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you.
Once again, jolly birthday to you! Jolly birthday to you!
Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you.
Let us all shout happy birthday, Marcos. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Marcos!
And Marcos, you can now blow your candle. Ayan. So, thank you so much. Ayan. So, maraming salamat.